another video where we are gonna learn the question number 3 of exercise 1.1. So let's start. First, obviously, the question is find LCM and HCF of the following by applying prime factorization method. So obviously ये तो अभी तक मतलब सबको आता होगा अब तो, क्योंकि पूरे चैप्टर में बस यही है, एलसीएम करो, ये सेव करो, ये निकालो, मतलब प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालो, ये सब। तो चलो प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालते हैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। तो 12, 15 और 21 का, तो फर्स्ट 12 का निकालते हैं 2, 6, 2, 3। तो 12 का हो गया 2 to the power 2 into 3। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट है 15 का हो गया 3, 5। ओके, 15 का हो गया 3 into 5। फिर नेक्स्ट 21 इज 3, 7। 21 3 into 7. If you want to write, then you can also write that doing the prime factorization or now prime factorization. Okay, so now we are gonna find the LCM of 12, 15 and 21 is first the prime number 2. Its highest power is 2 to the power 2. Multiply 3. Its highest power is 1. So 3. Multiply 5. Multiply 7. Okay. Now if you will multiply this 4, 5, 20 and this is 21. So it will be 2, 4, 420. Okay. The LCM will be 420. Next we are gonna find the HCF of this 3. So HCF of 12, 15 and 21. Okay, so it will be what? The common number between these 3. What is the common number? Can you see? Obviously it's 3. So the HCF of these 3 numbers will be 3. Okay, so here we ended up doing this calculation of this first question. Then you try to solve the second question by yourself. If you are facing any trouble, then only see the whole lecture. Okay, in this lecture I will solve these 2 questions, first question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 3 you will be doing it by yourself, and then in comment section you can say that your answer, what is your answer. I will give you the answer, you can match it. If you're facing any problem, then just comment and say it, and I will upload the video in the next. So doing the prime factorization of this question, is it visible? Yes. 17 will be 17 only. 23 is also same and 29 is also same. It cannot be prime. Means the only prime factors are that number only and 1. Okay. So for 17 it's 17 into 1. For 23 is 23 into 1. These are the only prime numbers, right? It doesn't have any small primes then other than that. So 29 into 1. The LCM of these 3 numbers will be 17, 23 and 29. Don't write like this. Just write in one line like I have written here, right? Don't write like this. I have very little space, that's why I am doing. This is the rough section. So it will be how much? Multiplication will be 1, 1, 3, 3, 9. And the HCF of 17, 23 and 29 will be 1. As we can see, कि यह कोई भी नंबर 1 के अलावा मैच तो कर ही नहीं रहा, मतलब कॉमन प्राइम फैक्टर तो है ही नहीं 1 के अलावा, क्योंकि बाकी तो सारे अलग है, तो 1 होगा HCF। ठीक है, तो यहाँ हम एंड करते ही ये वीडियो। इसमें मैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन और सेकंड क्वेश्चन करवाई हूँ, थर्ड क्वेश्चन खुद से कर लेना। अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम दिखता है तो वो मैं मतलब कमेंट में लिख देना, मैं करवा दूँगी। और अगर हो जा रहा है तो बहुत सही है, क्योंकि होना तो चाहिए। ओके, बाय। Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here and make sure you leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching!